Hello friends, good morning to all. Today I am going to tell you about visit to the market. Actually yesterday I went to the market. So I want to share what I did there. Sometimes I like to go to the market alone. So yesterday I went to the market alone. Actually my husband was at home taking care of kids. First of all, I made a shopping list before going. I carried my bag and I left to the market. When I reached, the market was very crowded. Many people were busy shopping. Firstly, I went to the vegetable shop. I asked about prices. So some vegetables were very expensive and some were cheap. So I bought tomatoes. So tomatoes were 40 rupees per kg and potatoes also were 40 rupees per kg, but green chilies were a little expensive, 80 rupees per kg. Then I stopped at dairy shop. I bought milk and bread. After shopping, I paid the bill and packed everything in my bag. I come back home tired but happy. So friends, uh, this was my small market experience, and I enjoy going to the market because I get fresh things for my family. That's all for today's video. See you tomorrow. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe.